Hi everyone, I'm Aaron. I'm the director here at Sussex Door Company.
Hi, my name's Hannah and I'm the office manager, and one of my main roles is to look after all of the orders.
Hi everyone, my name's Sam and I'm head of sales.
We also have an office dog and company mascot called Charlie.
We do all types of doors, composite front doors, FD30 fire doors, UPVC products, windows, new waves and bifolds. We're a local family-run business that care for all our customers and strive to bring them a friendly and professional service. We use products from a top quality manufacturer and we work on the ethos that if we don't put it in our own house, we won't put it in yours.
Our showroom in Burgess Hill has a whole range of different doors in different colours with different colour furniture, or you'll be able to design your door on our in-house door designer.
All our doors come with a 10-year insurance-backed guarantee and CERTA certificate to prove compliance with the latest building regulations. We are an honest and genuine company that are non-commission based. You can send your inquiry directly to us using our online door designer that's found on our website. Alternatively, please call our office to arrange a visit to the showroom. Once we receive your inquiry, we will call you to discuss everything and send you a quote. If you're happy to go ahead, we will then arrange Aaron to come out and do a survey. After survey, you will then receive an updated invoice for the 60% deposit. Once that is paid, we will then process your order. I will be your main point of contact as we wait for your door to arrive.
As soon as your tailor-made order arrives, we'll go through all of our quality control, making sure it meets all of our high standards, and get you booked in for fitting.
Thank you for taking your time to watch this short video. We look forward to helping you with all your future window and door projects.